What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're celebrating the Halloween season by creating our own original version of Cyborg Goku. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a fold in between the eyes. So we start on the left, bend this down, and then up. And then on the left side, let's fold the brow going in and then up. Now I want to work our way along the bottom of the brow. Starting up here, bend this up, and then out towards the end. Now on the end of the eyebrow, draw a short angle line coming up and in. And you just want to taper this so it gets narrower as you come in towards the inside of the brow. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrow in black. In the outside corner of the eyebrow, let's step in, curve the eye, coming around and then in towards the bottom. Now on the inside, let's step out, draw a short angle line coming down, and then we'll round out the bottom of the eye, going up and then down. Let's tuck the pupil in underneath the eyebrow, starting from the top, draw a half circle coming down and up, and we'll fill that in black. Let's move to the center, step down, draw a short line coming down the center of the nose. From the bottom, angle this up and out toward the left and right side. And then we'll connect the top of the nose to the left side with a curve, coming down and then out. Let's add some shading underneath the left eye. Starting from the outside, bend this in and then down, step back and down, and draw another curve. Now directly underneath the nose, let's add a curve for the mouth. We're going to come down and then up. And then from the ends, bend the mouth going out and then down towards the corners of the mouth. Let's close off the bottom, going up and then down. Now on the ends, draw two straight lines coming down the side of the teeth and fill the corners of the mouth in black. Directly underneath the mouth, let's draw a straight line going across the bottom of the lip. Now I want to go back up to the top and draw in the left eye. Let's start from the edge of the brow. We're going to bend this out and then up. Let's go back to the inside, curve the bottom of the eye, coming down, around, and just bend that up toward the top. And we'll add a thick edge along the outside, coming down and then in. Now draw that same half circle along the top of the eye, coming down and then up. And we'll fill the outside of the eye in black. Now from here, we're going to start to separate the center of the head. Let's start right in the middle with a circle, going all the way around, and draw a smaller circle in the middle. From the bottom of that circle, draw a straight line coming down towards the brow. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the head coming down in towards the jaw. Let's start by lining up at the top of the brow, over towards the left side. Just going to angle the head, coming down and then in to right about there. Let's line this up on the right, coming down and then in towards the same height. Let's angle the jaw coming down and in towards the chin. And we'll close off the bottom with a slight curve, coming down and up. Now I want to separate the right side of the face. Let's start from the center. We're going to bend this out and then down, angle up and out. Now I want to curve this around the jaw and then back in towards the chin. From here, draw a straight angle line going up towards the lip, draw a straight line going across, angle this all the way down towards the bottom of the chin. Now let's go back up to that center circle at the top, draw that straight line going all the way up towards the top of the head to right about there. From the top, let's curve the head going out and then down about halfway. Then from here, draw a straight line coming down, coming in towards the brow. Let's go straight out towards the side and then come down towards the side of the head. Now from this point, we're going to add a seam across the top of the brow. We're going to follow this curve, coming down and then in, just underneath that center circle. Let's add some more detail to the right side of the head. Going halfway along this curve, come straight down, angle this down, and then in. Let's separate the chin from the bottom corners, Angle this up and in. And flatten off the top. Let's go underneath the eye, come down, and then bend that in towards the bottom. Go up to the top, go up, and then bend that in towards that seam. Now I'm going to add an ear cover on the right side. From this top point, step down, draw a straight line going out, and then from the jaw we'll step up, draw another straight line going out, and it'll connect the top and bottom with a curve. Let's add a seam along the inside, so step in, just follow that curve going all the way around and then down. Let's add some wires and cables inside the head. We're going to start up here with two straight lines coming down side by side. Close out the top and bottom. Let's go back up to the top, just add a texture of straight horizontal lines going across towards the bottom. Let's add a thick cable coming down, so two straight lines coming down. Go up to the top, I'm just going to bend this up and then in towards the head, and then trace this along the outside. Now we're going to place some wires in behind. Start from the top, bend this out, go around and then down. We just need to trace that along the inside. Let's continue to add some more wires, going around from the head and back in. Another short one along the inside. Now we're going to move back to the left side and draw on the ear. Let's start from the top of the head, then the ear going up and then out. Round out the ear, come down and in towards the earlobe, and then bend that back in towards the side of the head. Let's add those folds inside the ear. From the top, bend this up and out, and down along the side, and then on the inside we're going to add a hook. Now I want to bring some hair coming down along the left side. Let's start from the center of the head, bend this out, and then down towards the eyebrow, bend this around and back up. Let's add another point going around the eyebrow and then in, bend it up toward the top of the ear. Now along the top, we're just going to layer the head over on the right side. So from the center, step over, bend that center spike going up and across towards the middle. Now we want to add a bend, going across and then out towards the left. Let's bend this back down, coming in and then down on top of the head. Let's add another spike, going up and out. Let's add that bend, going across. And it'll bend this in and then down toward the side. Now I'm going to add a curve, going up and then down. And I'm going to bend this in towards the top corner of the ear. Now I want to balance out a drawing by adding two more spikes along the bottom. Let's start from the side of the ear, bend this up and then down. Let's line this up over on the right side and do the same thing. From the end, bend this in and then down towards the bottom of the ear. Now from that same point, we're going to add one more spike. Bend this out and then down. Come in and then down towards the jaw. Now we just want to draw in the base of the neck. Let's start from the jaw, draw a straight angled line coming down to right about there. Let's go to the center of the chin, draw another straight line coming down. Let's connect the outside to the inside with a curve, coming down and then in. Let's go back to the left side and draw a thick edge along the inside of that metal plate. Draw a short line going out. Just going to trace this curve coming in just past the center and then go straight up. Let's connect these 2 points with an angled line. Now going back to the left side, let's draw another straight angled line coming down towards the bottom of the neck. Let's go all the way back over towards the right side of the jaw. Draw a straight angled line coming down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom of the neck with a curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Now on the left side, we're just going to add some detail to the neck. Starting up here, angle is down and then in towards the bottom. Move over towards the left and draw a short angled line going up about halfway. Let's go halfway along that center line, add a seam, going out and then up. Halfway along this curve, angle this down towards the bottom. Let's add one more spike over on the right side. We'll start by lining up this point in behind the wires on the right, going up, and then bend that down towards the same height. And I just want to bend this back in towards that ear cover. Now I want to give these 3 spikes a little bit of shape by adding some curves. Let's start from the top, bend this around and then down, step out, and just add a couple more. Let's do the same thing across the bottom with 2, and then add 2 small ones across the bottom. Now I want to continue the curve of this spike in between the wires. Now I'm going to give a little bit more texture to the base of the neck. So starting on the inside, just follow that curve going up. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. This is our original creation of Cyborg Goku. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.